An exclusive car has been found in a sea container. It will not be the last time exclusive cars are found in so-called barn finds. This time a Swiss firm revealed it is currently restoring an exclusive Lambo, the Lamborghini Countach Periscopo. It has apparently been sitting in a sea container for 40 years. Its origins are unknown, but the sand in the container makes us assume that the car was destined for an oil-rich desert state. Barn finds are mostly cars that have been stored in barns, but container finds are a less common phenomenon. It would be the first time that a car has been sitting for over 40 years in a shipping container. The Lambo is now in the capable hands of the Swiss car restorer Kidston Motor Cars. Kidston buys, restores and sells classic and exclusive cars. What does the sea container contain? Apparently the sea container had a Lamborghini Countach LP 400 inside of it. This Lambo has been nicknamed Periscopo because it featured a mirror in the roof so that the driver does have a red view. This Lambo has been nicknamed Periscopo because it featured a mirror in the roof so that the driver does have a red view. A very primitive version of our current rear view cameras. When we look at the picture, it is clear that the Countach was crashed. So it has not been sitting in a mint condition. It was probably getting ready for a repair, but the owner must have abandoned the repair idea. Meet the exclusive Lamborghini Countach Periscopo. The Lamborghini Countach Periscopo is part of the first series of Countaches built between 1974 and 1978. No more than 150 cars have been built. The cars had 375 horsepower and a massive 4-liter V12 engine. Lambos like this in an acceptable condition are worth around $1.1 million. We are looking forward to the end result that Kidston Motor Cars will deliver. Subscribe to our channel for future updates.